a breathtakingly beautiful land of perpetual winter, virtually untouched by humankind. It's called Antarctica, the great white continent. Well, mostly white. Covering around 14 million square kilometers of the Earth's southern pole, this icy continent is uninhabitable by humans. However, fascinated by the unknown, geologists and explorers continue to unravel the many mysteries Antarctica hides in its icy plains. In 1911, an Australian geologist, Griffith Taylor, discovered the place we now call Blood Falls during an expedition with his colleagues. At the time, the color of the falls was a big mystery. The color was initially thought to have come from red algae living in the water. But thanks to the research conducted by the University of Alaska Fairbanks and Colorado College, we now know the true origin of the mysterious blood falls. Spoiler alert, blood falls and rusting have a lot in common. The blood falls seep out of a glacier called the Taylor Glacier into the ice-covered lake Bonny. Surprisingly, there's another lake that lies underneath the glacier. About 5 million years ago, this lake was formed, a long inlet of the Antarctic Ocean with steep cliffs on both sides. Then the glacier moved in, covered it and cut it off from the ocean. Because of the unique way it formed, the water in this lake is about 2 or 3 times as salty as normal seawater and much richer in iron. A perfect condition for rusting is when iron is exposed to air and water. And this is what exactly happens at the blood falls. In fact, the so-called blood falls is a result of iron-rich salt water that oxidizes when in contact with air, just like rust. Since oxidized iron has a deep red color, the water appears to be bloody. The science behind blood falls in Antarctica. What if Griffith Taylor had never made it to the glacier that now bears his name? We might still not know about this geochemical wonder.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.